Hi there, this is Musafizur Rahman and welcome to English with Sojib. Today's my presentation is describe a famous athlete I know. The famous athlete I have chosen to talk about Mr. Mashabi bin Mortuza, and he is a former captain from Bangladesh national cricket team, and he is a true champion athlete because at the age of 40 he is still fit for playing for Bangladesh national cricket team. I first met with him when I was reading in school at Mirpur Stadium, and after that I haven't met with him in many years. And he's oval faced and up straight nosed, and he has a straight curly hair. I think that it's a perfect shape for an athlete. He has a very great qualities of captaincy. Under his leadership, Bangladesh has become top team in ODI format, and he has another best qualities is take responsibility. I saw him many times. He helped other in many ways, like when Taskin was injured after that out from the national team. At that moment, Mashrafi helped him in many ways and support him to recover. And after this time, Taskin come back again and show has super performance. And there is a base quality of an athlete to take challenge and coming back. And all know that Mashrafi bin Mortuza is highest at his own level. Mashrafi bin Mortuza, only the athlete I have ever seen in my life who went 7 times for his surgery and came back successfully and show his performance that why he is the best athlete in Bangladesh history time. So I cannot complete my speech about Mashabi bin Mortuza within 2 minutes. So this is today timing, dear guys. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel and join with our Facebook group, and please like our Facebook page. Thank you.